naibigay ko.
Including your daughter or son?
I don't have a son, Mr. Chair. My daughter, as confidential agent, for a few months lang po yun. After I took her back from US.
Sabi ko nga, ang laking pera ang lumabas dito. The fact that thousands were killed, actually. So I would like to ask our PNP personnel here. Colonel Marcos, do you share the statement that was given to us by Colonel Garma about the payment and rewards, or you also deny that?
Pertaining to the reward system, sir.
Totoo yung sinasabi mo na kapag mayroong napatay ang pulis, may natatanggap.
Totoo po yun.
Baliktarin po natin. Halimbawa kaya, ang binibigyan ng reward, yung hindi nakakapatay. How many of them na hinire mo sa PCSO ng mga kamag-anak mo? Will you mention that here, please?
Isa, secretary, charity. One po as my secretary, private secretary. And then yung isa po is parang executive assistant 3. Yung isa po is parang mababa lang po yung bakante na ano ni I cannot recall the positions pero puro po mabababa na position po. Ang pinakamataas lang po noon is EA 3 na position po ang naibigay ko.
Including your daughter or son?
I don't have a son, Mr. Chair. My daughter, as confidential agent, for a few months lang po yun. After I took her back from US. Kasi kinustudi ko na siya, sabi ko, para may trabaho ka, then I'll hire you.
So bakit mo binigyan ng trabaho sa PCSO yung mga kamag-anak mo?
Mr. Chair, wala naman sigurong hindi mag-hire ng kamag-anak kasi the position po is trust and confidence. Like secretary, private secretary, I need someone I trust. Like siguro driver, I need someone I trust. And there are positions na allowed naman. Pero kung trust and confidence po, meron po, yun lang ang binigay ko. The rest na I need professionals like lawyers, professionals, I hired lawyers and professionals. And there are also positions that I publish. I ask the HR to hire outside at mamili because gusto ko galing sa labas at qualified talaga for the position.
Okay, ganito, no? You said that there are 3 levels of payments and rewards sa tinatawag nating Davao model. Tama?
There are levels like
3 levels of payments and rewards.
I cannot.
Kanina nabanggit mo yun eh. There are 4? 4 levels. Oo. There are 4 levels na nabanggit mo, hindi ba?
Yes po. I think.
Okay. I was looking at it and sabi ko nga, ang laking pera ang lumabas dito. The fact that thousands were killed, actually. So I would like to ask our PNP personnel here. Diba? General Torre, nakita ko yata si General Karamat dito I'd like to ask them if you share the statement of Colonel Garma na meron 4 na level ng payment and rewards to policemen na pumatay ng mga drug pushers, drug lords, drug traffickers. Do you share that statement? General Torre, do you deny or do you share the statement?
Sir, I have no personal knowledge regarding that matter. Because truth to tell, sir, if I may be allowed to speak candidly, that's something that's the kind of system that will eventually be relatively researched. That's not against.
So you're
that's
saying
not
that you
within the
have
law.
no personal knowledge
I
of
don't have
that,
personal knowledge regarding that
and you
matter,
have
sir.
not heard it even.
No, sir.
No, you haven't. Colonel Patay,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
ha? Dinenay mo kanina, are you still denying it now?
Wala po akong knowledge yan, Mr. Chair.
You have no personal knowledge then.
Wala po, Mr.
I'd like
Chair.
to ask, where's Colonel Marcos? Colonel Marcos, do you share the statement that was given to us by Colonel Garma about the payment and rewards, or you also deny that?
Pertaining to the reward system, sir, tama po si Colonel Garma doon. Nag-circulate po yan sa buong PNP organization. Pero ang makakabalidate lang po talaga niyan is yung inner circle po ng gaya si Colonel Garma, yung mga
So,
nakakaalam talaga, sir.
May natanggap yung pumatay kay Mayor Espinosa.
Wala naman po akong natanggap doon, sir, kasi may operation.
Hindi ikaw ang sinasabi ko. May natanggap ba yung mga pumatay? Hindi naman ikaw ang pumatay, di ba?
Po, sir, hindi naman po.
O, yun pala naman eh. O, ang natanong ko, meron ba natanggap yung pumatay?
Wala naman po siguro, sir, kasi,
Hindi mo alam.
opo, yung unang...
Si Major Laraga, may natanggap ba siya?
Wala po yata, sir. Ngayon, sir, yung war on drugs kasi, sir, nung umpisa, wala pong ganyang reward system. Yung talagang operation, true operation on listed drugs personalities. Pero napansin siguro, sir, nung administration na medyo walang masyadong nagpa-participate. So, nung nakakulong na po ako, sir, naka-restricted, parang narinig ko, sir, na nag-umpisa na po yung reward system to encourage other officers, other personnel.
Nakatanggap si Major Laraga at yung mga pulis, hindi mo alam.
Hindi po
Kasi Luka, I mean, nakakapagtaka na papatay nila sa loob ng selda eh. Si Mayor Espinosa eh. Nakakapagtaka kahit sino. At tanungin mo, nakakapagtaka, nakakulong na yung tao eh. Papatayin nyo. Oh, ngayon nalaman natin mayroong payment and rewards. Hindi mo alam, hindi ka nang katanggap dahil hindi naman talaga ikaw ang pumatay, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, at hindi mo alam na mayroong payment and reward na binibigay sa mga pumatay. Tama ako, mali?
It's true na naririnig po ng kapulisan yan, sir. Pati ako, sir, naririnig ko po.
Si General Karamat ba nandiyan kanina? Nandiyan kanina eh. Wala na ba ngayon? Wala na, no? Okay? Now, Colonel Garma, have you heard of the killing of Mayor Cesar Perez of Los Baños? Pinatay during the drug war?
Hindi po.
At merong silang pinagbintangan. Ang biktima po ay nakulong na konsehal si Norbin Tamisin. Have you heard of that?
No, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo narinig.
Hindi po.
How about the killing of Mayor Halili of Tanawan, Batangas?
Mayor Halili.
Sa drugs din po yun eh.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Narinig ko po.
Narinig mo?
Opo.
Okay. So, therefore, totoo yung sinasabi mo na kapag mayroong napatay ang pulis, may natatanggap.
Totoo po yun, Mr.
Baliktarin po natin. Halimbawa kaya, ang binibigyan ng reward, yung hindi nakakapatay. Mas maganda, di ba? Yung bibigyan ng reward, yung imbis na papatayin, hinuhuli, kinukulong,
Sana-
at kinakasuhan.
Sana-
Di ba mas maganda yung ganon?
Yes po, yun na-file sana ng kaso.
Siguro
Tapos
konti lang ang namatay. Tama ba ako, Colonel Marcos? Am I right? Siguro konti lang ang namatay, ang pinatay. Kung walang payment and reward, konti lang ang pinatay.
It's possible, Mr. Chair.
Possible. So anyway, Mr. Chair, nakita po natin to and I'm so glad na gusto ko lang pong basahin ang isang manifestasyon dito na naisulat sapagkat sayang naman kung di ko babasahin ito. Alright? Itong Davao model ng payment and reward system ay nakakatakot at talaga namang inaabuso. Kung tutuusin, ang reward system ay maghihikayat sa mga pulis na pumatay upang makuha ang reward nila na pera. Tulad po ng sinabi ng aking kasama dito si Congressman Romy Acop. Tulad po na nabanggit ni Congressman JJ na ito yung love of money. Ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, walang pinagkaiba ang reward system na ito doon sa mga drug pusher na kumukuha rin ng pera dahil sa droga. Ito naman, kumukuha ng pera dahil nakakapatay. Walang pinagkaiba, mga kaibigan. At sino bang ayaw makakuha ng pera? Kapansin-pansin din na ang laki ng discretion ng mga pulis. Dahil on a mere suspicion, pwede silang pumatay at yung suspect ay hindi man lang binigyan ng pagkakataon mag-explain or ilaban ang kanyang sarili. Kaya nga po, this is a violation of their constitutional right. Paano kung mistaken identity? Tulad ng napatay na 9 na taon. Tulad ng napatay na si Kian na 17 years old. Ito ay mga mistaken identity. Paano kung galit lang sa'yo ang isang pulis at bigla ka na lang sinama sa listahan ng suspect? Paano kung nagkataon parehas kayo ng pangalan? Ang daming mali sa sistema na ito. At ang pinakamalala, walang reward ang apprehension o paghuli ng suspect. Kung gusto mo ng pera, patayin mo ang suspect. Last question, Mr. Chair, to Vice Chair Bernardo. What is now the status of Commissioner Leonardo in NAPOLCOM?
Sir, I was just I was able to read a letter that his resignation had been accepted, sir. I will be getting the official notice, sir, maybe by Monday, sir.
So you will not anymore charge him administratively?
Last week, sir, I convened the remaining commissioners, and I was asking if we would be reporting to the Office of the President through the SILG that we are supposed to recommend the conduct of administrative investigation. Inasmuch as the PNP and the Internal Affairs and NBI would be conducting a criminal investigation, it is also be more expeditious, considering if an administrative case will be conducted, it would be more quicker, considering the evidence necessary would be substantial evidence, sir. But we were being told that he tendered his resignation, and I was asking my colleague, I was outvoted that they suggested to wait for developments. But personally, I would like to file administrative case.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. That ends my interpellation and manifestation. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you, Congressman Abante. And
Before we end, Mr. Chairman,
Congressman Fernandez.
yes, since there are reports, some reports that